beautiful humans, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to make a vegan coconut pumpkin pie. Yes, that one right there. So that you might have a 100% beautiful vegan Thanksgiving just like this one. I'll include the recipe in the description of the video, but let's go ahead and jump right in. So this recipe only has 9 ingredients. You'll need a 9-inch pie shell, any vegan one works, 100% pure pumpkin, just 1 can, maple syrup to sweeten, you can also use brown sugar, full fat coconut milk, cornstarch, unsweetened coconut chips, and then seasoning, we have salt, pumpkin pie seasoning because I'm cheap, and a little bit of cinnamon. So we're just going to start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees. And then we're pretty much just going to mix everything into our blender, starting with the 1 can of pumpkin. We'll use all of it. And then we're going to use about a cup of full fat coconut milk. It's pretty much going to be all of the fatty portion on top of the can. And then once you've started blending, you might want to add just a little bit of the liquid portion of the coconut milk to help it mix. And then of course maybe use a spoon if your blender is struggling like mine. And then we'll add a ½ cup of maple syrup to our pie mixture to sweeten. You can always do a full cup if you like it sweeter. And then I didn't really measure my seasonings, I just eyeballed it. But you can do a ½ teaspoon of pumpkin pie and then a teaspoon of cinnamon if you're a numbers kind of person. And then just a sprinkle of sea salt. We'll add about 3 tablespoons of cornstarch to thicken the mixture. Mixing. And to finish, we will sprinkle some coconut flakes. And this is just to taste. It adds a little bit of crunch to your mixture. I'm just fitting as much as I can, obviously. And then as that's mixing, I went ahead and added a little bit more of the pumpkin spice and cinnamon seasoning. We are about ready to add this mixture to the pie crust. After mixing everything together, we're just going to pour the pie mixture into its pie crust. And using a spatula or a spoon would work, we're just going to smooth it over to make it pretty. Then we'll bake the pie for about an hour. But 10 minutes before the hour's over, we're going to take the pie out, add some coconut flakes to the top, and we are finished.